Practice exercise 2. India ranked 105th in Global Hunger Index 2020. The Global Hunger Index (GHI) is a comprehensive index that tracks and measures hunger at the global, regional, and national levels. The 2022 GHI report sheds light on hunger levels across 127 countries with specific emphasis on India's ranking and challenges. India's performance in GHI 2022. India's ranked in 505 out of 127 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2024, placing it in the serious hunger categories. India's GHI scoring in 27.3, indicating a severe level of hunger. Key indicators contributing to India's GHI scoring. Undernourishment. 13.7% of India's population is undernourished, meaning they do not have access in sufficient caloric intake. Child stunting. 35.5% of children under 5 are students, reflecting chronic undernutrition. Child wasting. 18.7% of children under 5 suffering from wasting, a sign of acute undernutrition where children have low weight for their height. Child mortality. 2.9% of children die before reaching their 5th birthday due to a combination of inadequate nutrition and unhealthy living environments. Global context and comparison. The 2024 GHI report is the 19th edition, published by Concern Worldwide and Wealth Hunger Life. India's ranking is worse than several neighboring South Asian countries, further highlighting the challenges faced in addressing hunger. 733 million people globally face hunger each day, while 2.8 billion people cannot afford a healthy diet. Impact of conflict on hunger 2024. Conflicts in regions such as Gaza, Sudan, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Haiti, Mali, and Syria are contributing significantly to food crisis. Several African nations are categorized as alarming due to extreme food insecurity driven by ongoing civil strife and war. Challenging and projections. The report underscores that achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Global SDG of zero hunger by 2030 is increasingly unlikely without sustainable progress. The disparity between the global right to standard and the harsh reality faced by millions remains significant. What is the Global Hunger Index about? The Global Hunger Index (GHI) is a peer-reviewed report published on an annual basis by Concern Worldwide and Wealth Life. The GHI is a tool designed to comprehensively measure and track hunger at global, regional, and national levels. Reflections. Multiple dimensions of hunger over time. The GHI score is calculated on a 100-point scale reflecting the severity of hunger. 0 is the best score implies on hunger and 100 is the worst. Calculation. Each country's GHI score is calculated based on a formula that combines 4 indicators that together capture the multi-dimensional natures of hunger. Undernourishment, the share of a population whose caloric intake is insufficient. Child stunting, the share of children under the age of 5 who have a low height for their age, reflecting. Chronic undernutrition, child wastage, the share of children under the age of 5 who have low weight for their height, reflecting acute undernutrition, and child mortality, the share of children who die before their 5th birthday, reflecting in part the fatal mix of inadequate nutrition and unhealthy environments. Top 10 performers in 2024: Belarus, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Chile, China, Costa Rica, Croatia, Estonia, Russia, Hungary, Ukraine. Worst performers: Somalia, Yemen, Chad, Madagascar, Democratic Republic of Congo, Haiti. India's neighboring countries: China, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Pakistan.